Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sarwar Hussain once again before you. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. Do you know what's my today's topic is? Yeah, today I'm coming in the Blacksmith Potti. So now I want to explain the Blacksmith Potti. Now I'm in the Blacksmith Potti, and here you see the mm, some here is some blacksmith um, made. You see that some boti boti the scale and by the coil makes a big fire by pumping the pumping machine. Now you see the balloon wheel, everything which the make the bread. And now you see the chain in the shop, and some boti and sable and a lot of everything you see. And here you see the eggs and the uh, da chapel. And now I see the silpata and the balloon. And here is the case of the bird. And here you see the uh, body of the cutting paddy straw. And here you see the chain and another thing in the shop. And here you see the boti and dabu and everything. And actually I don't know the actual English meaning of of this thing all of, so I'm really sorry. Now we see the kunni and chapel and some things of the iron. And you see the boti, a lot of boti and the. Here you see the weighing and the X. Thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoy my videos then subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.
একদম নিতে গেলে 90 টাকা 80 মাসে 100 লোক এটা কত দিতে হবে একদম ওরে 100 এটা দিলে পরে আমি দিতে ফের আয় ফের 150 টাকা এরকম হলে আমার দামি